this question here says state true or false. Okay, with an explanation. So if true, why? And if false, why? Let's start. Question number 1. Abortions could happen spontaneously too. Why? Abortions can happen because of n number of reasons. It could be emotional, it could be psychological, it could be something physical, it could be stress. So this answer is true. Due to internal factors like incompatibility, abortions could happen spontaneously. Okay, now point number 2. Infertility is defined as inability to produce viable offsprings, and it is always, note this word, always due to the abnormalities of or defects in a female partner. Students, infertility can be because of any gender. It could be because of female, it could be because of male. So the answer here is the statement is false. And infertility may also be because due to male partners when sperm count is low or their motility is less. Okay, now we are going ahead with statement number 3. Complete lactation could help as a natural method of contraception. Well, this statement is definitely true, and to give an explanation for this, that is, statement is true. Lactational anemoria is a method of contraception as ovulation does not occur during the period of intense lactation followed by parturition. So when a baby is born, ovulation does not occur until and unless you stop breastfeeding. So it is that period is known as lactational anemoria. Anemoria means absence of period, and thus because of this reason it is one of the method of contraception. D. Creating awareness about sex related aspects is an effective method to improve reproductive health of the people. This is definitely true. So creating awareness about sex related aspects will remove myths and taboos or misconceptions about these problems, and thus it is very beneficial. So students, by this we come to an end of question number 11.